Some of you have asked how things are progressing here. Very nicely, I'd say. Trees are getting bigger, taller. And I got a new friend with me, if you hadn't already recognized. Yeah, things are just growing. It's just a matter of growth. Didn't have problems with the aphids this year. I put neem oil on twice early in the spring. No aphids, hence no wasps to bother us. Stream's looking really good. Things are getting kind of overgrown with the Virginia creeper, but I like it that way. I may trim back later. Look how big my giant sequoia has gotten. He's just really nice. Here we are.